Hello everyone, so I'm going to be recording my closet declutter, and I kind of want to do it KonMari style but not quite. Kind of just really get rid of the things I'm not using, I'm not loving, and yeah, even like in my drawers. And this is just going to be like everyday clothes, dresses, all of that stuff, and that is my closet right behind me. So let me take you guys over to my closet. So this is the first half. We have installed a second bar in my closet for sweaters. I kind of have them down by sweaters. I don't know if I want to keep them by sweaters. I kind of want to color coordinate, but I also feel like the sweaters are too heavy for the top. So we have all of those. I'm pretty good about getting rid of sweaters. I actually went through the sweaters and got rid of stuff, and then these are like other tops, and then I have like my nicer shoes, heels, whatever. And then in the second half, which I'll show you, it's kind of more mixed. I have like hoodies and dresses and some like jackets and other shenanigans, and then down here is like random jackets and stuff. So I really wanna, you know, oh, and I have more shoes, and then like the shoe over there thing, horrible. So it's time to get to cleaning. Ugh, so much. I don't even know like what I wanna do or where to start, but I might show you item by item what I like. I don't know. It might be a couple videos. It's gonna be a process. So let's begin. So I've cleared out that whole section. The only thing I have here are two dance costumes. I don't really dance anymore, but I haven't quite decided what I want to do with them. In my head, I'm gonna eventually get back into dancing, but I don't know. And there's just like two of the dance costumes that I actually adore. So we'll see. I kind of wish if I have a daughter that they'll be in dance, and we'll see what happens. And sweaters I'm not gonna touch yet, so let's go over here. Do you like my purple Uggs that are like super dirty, but I love them? And so this is the giant pile of clothes. Don't mind my bed. It's a strange little bed, but it works. So this is my giant pile of the clothes, and I'm actually scared. I'm actually scared that I'm not going to want to get rid of anything. So first things first, on the top here, I have this Zara bodysuit. Oops. So many things. I don't know. I've gone through it all and before, and I'm scared I'm not going to get rid of anything. So this Zara bodysuit, I love it. It's gorgeous. Like, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I wore it to a concert. If I want to go like on the night, it just fell off the hanger, but if I want to go out to the town, I could wear it. It's beautiful. There's the other half. Like, I can't get rid of that. And it's one of the few bodysuits that I actually like, because I'm not a big bodysuit person. The next thing I have is like the summery top, which I can't say that I like, you know, a lot of these things are more like spring and summery, so I actually really like this. I love this color on me, and it's open back. It's from Forever 21, and I'm gonna keep it. This is kind of like just a denim shirt that I like to wear specifically with one dress. And it's good for like the summertime because it's light if you want that denim look but not a denim jacket. So I'm gonna keep that. This is a Free People top. I actually really like this, and it's more summery. A lot of these things are really summery, and it's just long. It is kind of like a muscle tee, so you have to wear like a bralette or something cute underneath. And you have to wear it, like you can't just like go braless. But I like it. So I'm gonna keep it. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything, guys. Oh, this is a little dirty. Oh no, it's actually inside out. This is a black off-the-shoulder top. One of the very few that I like. I think it actually got stretched out on one of the sides. I have to try it on again, but I used to love this. So I'm definitely gonna keep it, but if I think that it's too stretched out to save, I guess I'll get rid of it. But I love it so much, so I don't want to. I wear this a ton in the summertime. A lot of things are summertime clothes, so that's the hard one. This I can get rid of for sure. Although I don't know what I want to do with it. I might just try to take it to a homeless shelter, because I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. It has these little rips on it, and I used to wear it when I work at Bath & Body Works, but that's basically the only time I would wear it. I don't work there anymore, and I felt like I had to be on my skinnier side to wear this, because if not, it looked like I was about to pop open, which probably explains these little things. I'm going to see if I could try to take it to a homeless shelter, see if they can give it to somebody, just because a lot of the thrift stores in my area, they're like not taking clothes, so the next best thing is going to be homeless, because we have a big homeless population. So I'm going to bring that over here. Hey, our first thing. So this is get rid of pile. I had to like, don't worry about the messy bed, but that is get rid of pile, and this is keep. So we have one thing. Next we have this. I actually really like this. It's just this like very like booby full. And I had to put a safety pin in, and sometimes the safety pin like pops off, so I'm gonna have to like sew it up just a little bit just to make it appropriate, because I don't have the boobs to make this look good. But it's from Forever 21. I'm trying not to shop at Forever 21. I don't really shop there anymore actually, but I like this. I'm gonna keep it, especially if I sew it up and it works. It's such a perfect top for summer. This one I haven't worn many times, but I don't really love it. It just sits very awkward on me, and I feel bad because my mom got it for me for my birthday last year. We always kind of do like a shopping trip as my kind of as my birthday present from her, but I'm definitely trying to get out of like shopping as much, especially at like cheap places like at Forever 21. I just want to have more sustainable fashion, so I think I'm gonna list this on my Poshmark. So get rid of pile. This I like. It kind of shrunk a little bit, but not too much. This is just a black cold sleeve, long sleeve top from Hollister. It's just a nice black piece, so I'm going to keep that. These two I actually have listed on my Poshmark, but they haven't been doing so hot. And I think I'm actually going to take this one off just because it has like, I used to like safety pin this just to make it shorter, and it kind of got a little bit of holes on it, but it just hasn't gathered much attention on Poshmark, so I might just take this off. This one's gotten attention, and I used to wear this in high school, but it's just not me anymore. So that's technically on Poshmark, so I'm gonna put it in like this strange pile over here. Sometimes I keep my Poshmark stuff in my closet. This one I got last summer. It's from Abercrombie. This is cute. I'm keeping it. It's like a one shoulder type of spiel thing. It can go in my keep. I love this top also. It's just so frilly. It's kind of like a smock. It's so frilly. It's so pretty. Kind of looks like that. I know I haven't been doing like the best on holding the camera, but I'm keeping this. It's pretty. It's not like, it's kind of like in the middle. It doesn't make me like look like super skinny and like amazing, but it doesn't make me look horrible, and from at least from the side, but it just looks, it's so pretty. It's so me. This is Silence and Noise tank top. I actually thrifted this back when I was in high school, and I really liked it, especially because it had like this open back, but I just don't wear it. I find that a lot of the things I ended up thrifting, which I had a thrifting phase in like high school, I ended up giving back to the thrift store, but just because it's no longer in style. So I haven't worn this in years, and I keep thinking I'm gonna wear it, but I don't, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is an off-the-shoulder top from Forever 21, and I used to wear this like a couple years ago, but it's just, I don't know. I have to try this on. This is gonna be a maybe, and do I have a maybe pile? No, but I'll just put it in that weird makeshift pile. That one's gonna be a maybe. I don't know. I'll probably try to list it on Poshmark. If that, I love this one, but I always have to wear high-waisted things with it. It's just a yellow off the shoulder, perfect for summer. I love yellows on my skin personally. This one, oh, this is a hard one. I would wear this to work. This is a maybe. It has to be a maybe. I can't decide, because it was like a work top, and I'd always get compliments, but I don't know if I still love it. And like, I think we see a pattern that like this white type of off pattern, like I already got rid of one of them. Two are in the maybe pile. This one I like because it's yellow, but it's still like an This sweater I recently got. I haven't worn yet just because it's kind of off season, but it's an off the shoulder, like super soft, like top. I'm keeping that one because I like it. This one I got from H&M. It was really cheap, but I love this like detail. I like bought it for my retail job to dress it up, just to be like a little more casual, but at the same time dressy. I'm gonna keep it because I only have this in one other flannel, and this is like a thin flannel, if that makes any sense. This one's super cute. I get a lot of compliments, and this is like when I want to be like more like casual, so I'm keeping that. I love this one. I should wear more often. This one I used to wear when I worked in retail, again, common theme, and it's just like a shrug. It was from Aeropostale, but I cut the tags off. It comes in handy when like you're trying to be appropriate, so I don't know if I want to keep this one. It's gonna go to my maybe pile. This I love. It's from Free People. Love. It has amazing sleeves, like super puffy sleeves. This is from Zara, also love. Gonna keep. This one I got recently, or at least like this last time. Super casual with leggings. It's more of like a winter thing, but gonna keep. This one I got at Dillard's. Don't mind me, I'm looking horrible, but I'm actually really upset. I was trying to put the video of like this first portion together, but I ended up deleting most of the videos. But then as I was putting it together, I thought it would be kind of boring to go through every single piece of item. So I'm just going to show you like the end of that section. This is what it looks like now. I know it's kind of dark, but I basically color coordinated everything. And yeah, so the way I color coordinated it was, it goes from short sleeve to long to sweater. And so I have like my whites and like the stuff that's mostly white with patterns. Then I have a couple of gray items, black, and then I have blue because it's the color, the first color that I wear the most, and then it's pink, which is my favorite color. And then I have like yellow, red, orange, like yellowy orange, darker, and then my one green item. But that's kind of like my little coordination system. I still have to work on this bottom section, but I'm probably going to split this video up into like a bunch of different sections. But I want to, let me just bring you over here. Don't mind the mess. These are things that I ended up deciding I'm going to try to sell on Poshmark. And then this bag over here, I know my room's a mess. I'm going through a major declutter. These are things I'm going to go take to the homeless center. But my main issue is that this is also shirts. And what I want to do essentially is go through this. There's stuff that's listed on Poshmark in here as well. But I eventually want to bring all of this into my closet because I forget the stuff that's in here. So we're going to tackle this one next.